All right, with the counter that is now coming in from the Aam Aadmi Party, let's get you as far as the legal team is concerned of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, who has now raised an objection to the ED affidavit and has filed a formal complaint with this regard in the Supreme Court's registry. Calling it as a blatant disregard of legal procedures, the Aam Aadmi Party says that the affidavits were submitted without taking the Supreme Court's approval and issued at a time when the matter is already slated for a final decision in the top court. We have Harish with us, our legal editor. Harish, and we also have Bhavtosh joining on at this point. Bhavtosh, good morning to you. Very key observations that were made by the Supreme Court with this regard in the previous hearing. Today, what is expected to happen?
Well, two things as far as the Enforcement Directorate is concerned. Yesterday, the Enforcement Directorate filed an affidavit in which they have said that right to campaign is not a fundamental right. No such thing exists. And importantly, they also said that in past 5 years, 123 elections were held, and none of, if that is taken as a criterion, that many politicians were already lodged in jail, at least 18 politicians have been lodged in jail, then all of them can in fact take a plea, and that since 123 elections have taken place, then all of them should be released. Importantly, they have also said that there is some material evidence against Arvind Kejriwal. There is a vicarious liability of Arvind Kejriwal as far as the alleged excise scam is concerned. And releasing him on a bail can in fact set a precedence, and all of them, all these 18 politicians can also take a plea, and all of them can be or could be released from the jail. Now, the matter will be taken up by the Supreme Court. One has to wait and see what will happen next in the case. Will the court be releasing Arvind Kejriwal, or will the larger issue of the illegality of his arrest will be the issue that Supreme Court will be hearing first, or whether it will be giving an interim order asking Arvind Kejriwal to be released as far as this case is concerned.
All right, we'll be also going through the observations that were made by the Supreme Court in the previous hearing. Bhavtosh, प्लीज आप हमारे साथ बने रहिए, क्योंकि ईडी के तरफ से बताया जा रहा है कि फ्रेश चार्जशीट जो हो सकती है घोटाले में, अगर लिकर गेट मामले की अगर बात की जाए तो वहां पर वो दर्ज की जा सकती है. Sources have told Times Now that it may name Chief Minister of Delhi Arvind Kejriwal and BRS leader K. Kavita and some other accused as well. If that happens, then this will be for the first time that Arvind Kejriwal will be named as an accused in the case. ईशा हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़ रही है. ईशा, अगर इस केस की जानकारी अगर देते हुए आप बताया जा रहा है कि जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन है ईडी के हिसाब से किस तरह से आगे बढ़ती हुई नजर आ रही है?
जी अमिता, ईडी ने एक बार नहीं कई बार कहा है कि अरविंद केजरीवाल एक की कंस्पिरेटर रहे हैं. उन्होंने के कविता के साथ और बाकी आम आदमी पार्टी लीडर्स के साथ मिलकर करप्ट स्कीम्स बनाई, ये ईडी का कहना है. लेकिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पिछली हियरिंग में कहा कि अगर अरविंद केजरीवाल को इंटरिम रिलीफ दिया भी जाता है, ही विल नॉट बी अलाउड टू कैंपेन. बट द सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिड शो सम लीनियंसी टुवर्ड्स Arvind Kejriwal, stating that the Supreme Court at least revolved around this idea of giving him relief. Currently, at 10:30 a.m., the matter is listed before the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court is also set to pronounce the judgment on the interim bail. Currently, we are standing right.
अगर सुप्रीम कोर्ट की बात की जाए, कोई राहत अगर अरविंद केजरीवाल को उनको मिलती है या नहीं? आप धन्यवाद आपका ईशा हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए.